Here's an afternoon treat.
Ooh, yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are those cookies gluten-free?
I don't think so. Are you trying one of those gluten-free diets or something?
For the 1% of Americans with celiac disease, eating gluten-free is not a choice. It's a medical necessity. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, rye, barley, and cross-contaminated oats. It can also show up in some unexpected places. To people with celiac disease, gluten acts like a toxin, triggering the body to attack itself.
Dad, she can't have those. Can you get her something else to eat?
Here, I'll just take this cookie away, okay? You don't have to be so strict. One little crumb isn't gonna hurt you.
People with celiac disease also need to avoid anything that has had cross-contact with gluten-containing ingredients. This means that gluten cannot come into contact with their food, cooking utensils, cooking equipment, or the surfaces where their food is prepared. Even very small amounts of gluten in food, or a little bit of airborne flour, can trigger this reaction.
Does everyone with celiac disease have to be this careful?
Although individuals with celiac disease may present with different outward symptoms, or even none at all, the rules for every person with celiac disease are the same. Anyone with celiac disease should avoid gluten, even in very small amounts. The autoimmune response in celiac disease can cause many different symptoms all throughout the body, not just an upset stomach. Even if you don't see their symptoms outwardly, gluten is still causing inflammation and damage inside them. Symptoms can last for hours, days, weeks, or even have lifelong effects. Unlike people with food allergies, people with celiac disease have no EpiPen or other remedies once they ingest gluten, and they don't grow out of it. Until there's a cure, the only treatment is a strict gluten-free diet. Most people with celiac disease want to participate in meals and celebrations with friends and family members, but they may not be able to take part in the same way because of their disease. It can be socially isolating.
I found something. It says 100% gluten-free, and they're individually wrapped.
What is it? Popsicles! Now we can all have the same treat.
You can be an ally to someone with celiac disease by making sure your hands, work, and eating surfaces are clean, asking them or their parents if a food is safe before giving it to them, or better yet, choosing to serve celiac-safe foods that the entire group can enjoy together.